here.
Hello?
Yes, go ahead.
I have a couple questions.
Go ahead.
So if the parents of a person that converted pass away, does he still have to recite Kaddish for them?
No.
Okay, thank you. And the
But
other one is...
one thing about the situation, he can inherit from them. And he can divide. I think we had it sometimes in the class, but I'm going to repeat. Maybe somebody missed it. So if this person, there were two brothers. One converted, one did not convert. And parent is he was a heathen. He was an idol worshiper, right? So they come together to get to the apartment, the house, and this brother who is Jewish, he can say, you take yourself Yoshke, all of the portrait of Yoshke and his mother, and I'm going to take the chairs, right? You take for yourself these religious books, this garbage, don't tell them garbage, and I'm going to take whatever, right? There is no problem, right? Why? Because halachically, according to the Torah law, he's not allowed to, like, he cannot inherit, because they're two different people. It's not, like two separate, after the person converted, he got new soul. There is no more connection to his father. Of course, he has to respect for other people, so because other people it would be healed HaShem. But the only reason our rabbis allowed him to do this trade-in with this guy, right? Why? Because otherwise, unfortunately, they say because this person might, if father was very rich and he's not, right? He might go back to his previous faith. That's the problem. That's why rabbis say, yeah, you can go ahead and inherit with your brother. There is no problem. So it's very interesting, right? But if father was a Jew, but unfortunately, like, he was an idol worshiper, right? He had all of these getchkes in his house, and so the brother is so it's not so simple. So one brother cannot say to another brother who's also of the derech. So you take yourself getchkes, and I'm going to take the chairs, right? All of the statues. I'm going to work like that. Why? Because when in the Jewish law, when father dies, so they accept the inheritance right away. So that's it. So he cannot derive pleasure from or derive any benefit from idol worshiper. So if this guy, so like meaning everything like 50-50. Let's say it's two brothers. So 50-50. So I cannot say I would have to take these getchkes and I would have to destroy them. Okay. Next question, please.
I didn't know that, Rabbi. Thank you very much.
Yes, you're welcome.